Hi, I'm Eileen, and today we're going to be working on YLOC 4th grade lesson 4 worksheet. Don't forget to write your name and the date. So let's read the direction first. It says, find the value of each expression. In the example, it shows 5 plus 2 plus 6. And all we have to do is just add these. And when we add them, we get 13. So I'm going to be going over number 1, 3, 6, and 7. Number 1, you have to, every time you have an expression like this, if there's ones with parentheses, like this one, 8 minus 7, then you always do the parentheses first. So in the parentheses, we have 8 minus 7, which equals 1. And then we just do the plus 1 on the outside, which is 2. So our answer is going to be 2. Number 3, we have to do parentheses first. We have 62 minus 40. So if we do 62 minus 40, it's going to be 22. Then we do 22 plus 31 to get our final answer, which is going to be 53. Number 6, we have 17 minus 9 minus 5. So, in here, there is no parentheses, but how to do it usually is you just go from the left to the right. So we're first going to do 17 minus 9, which is 8, and then 8 minus 5 is 3. Number 7, we have 9 minus 3 plus 2. Again, the parentheses first. 9 minus 3 is 6, plus 2 is 8. That's our answer. Moving on to the second page, it says write words to match each expression. So example, it has C plus 5 equals 19. So we have to find out what C is, C plus 5, to get our answer of 19. So here, how to do it is subtract the answer to the one number we have in the expression, which is 5. If we do 19 minus 5, we get 14. And you could check your answer by looking at 5 and 14. If you add 5 plus 14, we get 19. So C is going to equal 14. That's our answer. I'm going to be going over number 1, 5, and 6. Number 1, we have 8 minus M equals 4. So we have to find out what M is going to be. So here we're going to do the same. We're going to subtract 8 minus 4. If we do 8 minus 4, we get 4. So we could check our answer by adding these. 4 plus 4 is 8. So M is going to equal 4. Number 5, we have X plus 12 equals 17. So let's subtract 17 and 12. 17 minus 12 equals 5. And 5 plus 12 is 17. So X is going to equal 5. Lastly, we have Q minus 7 equals 0. So let's do this again. 7 minus 0 equals 7, which is true. So Q equals 7. Next, it says complete the equation to make it true. And we have our example, 15 plus 3 equals 15 plus blank. So we need to find what the blank is. And here, how to find it is first you add the expression that is already finished, which is this side, which is 15 plus 3 is 18. And we have to make these equal each other, right? Because you can see the equal sign right here in the middle. So to make each equation equal each other. So what plus 15 is going to give us 18, which is 3. So the missing number is going to be 3. I'm going to be going over number 2, 5, and 6. Number 2, we have 15 minus 8 equals 14 minus blank, and we have to find the blank. Let's first solve what this is in the completed equation. 15 minus 8 equals 7. So we have to make this equal 7 as well. In order to make this equal 7, we could just simply subtract 14 and 7 to find that answer. If we do 14 minus 7, we get 7, which is true. So the missing number is going to be 7. Number 5, we have 7 plus 9 equals blank plus 8. Let's first solve the completed expression. 7 plus 9 is 16. This has to equal 16 as well. You just have to subtract 16 and 8. If you do 16 minus 8, you get 8. So if we do in the blank 8 plus 8, we do get 16. So our answer for 5 for the blank is going to be 8. Lastly, for 6, we have 14 minus 6 equals 10 minus blank. 14 minus 6 is going to give us 8. Subtract 8 and 10. 10 minus 8 gives us 2. So if we do 10 minus 2 here, it does give us 8. So our answer for 6 is going to be 2. Lastly, we have a word problem. I'm going to be going over number 1. It says Bart had 6 checkers and found 7 more. Jenny has 8 checkers. How many more checkers will she need so that she and Bart have the same number of checkers? So Bart is going to be blue, B, and Jenny is going to be red with a J. So let's do Bart first. So Bart has 6 checkers and found more. So it's plus 7, which is 13. But Jenny has 8 checkers. So she only has 8. And it tells us how many more numbers of checkers will she need so that she and Bart have the same number. So we see that Bart has more clearly by his is 8, 13, and Jenny's is 8. So in order to find out how many more she needs, we could just subtract Bart and Jenny's total. So if we do 13 minus 8, we get 5. And let's check our answer. So 8 plus 5 gives us 13. And that does equal each other. So Jenny will need 5 more checkers so that she and Bart have the same number of checkers.